The service transmission warning in Jeep Grand Cherokees, especially 2014-2023 models with 8-speed automatic transmissions, indicates a problem within the transmission system. This often stems from faulty transmission control modules, solenoid pack issues, contaminated transmission fluid, or worn clutch packs. The warning can trigger diagnostic trouble codes like P0700 or P0973, which an OBD2 scanner can read. Ignoring this warning can lead to transmission failure and potential accidents. Initial checks should include inspecting the transmission fluid level and color. It should be red and odorless. While software updates exist for newer models from 2020-2023 to recalibrate shifting, they don't always fix hardware problems. Start with inexpensive solutions like a transmission fluid flush and filter replacement. These simple fixes can often resolve the warning and cost between $200 and $400. Software recalibration is available at dealerships and can address the warning through over-the-air updates or infotainment system resets. This is often free and can fix adaptive shift logic issues. More complex repairs may involve solenoid or valve body overhaul, or even a full transmission rebuild. These can cost between $3,000 and $7,000 and are best handled by certified mechanics. Regular maintenance can help prevent issues. Change transmission fluid every 30,000 to 50,000 miles using Mopar-approved fluids to avoid contamination and wear. If the problem persists, seek a certified mechanic. Transmission repairs are often covered under warranty or extended plans. Remember that temporary DIY fixes might not solve underlying issues, and professional intervention is crucial to avoid further damage and maintain safety.